Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by enabling the required services and opening QuickShare on the Oppo. This creates the sending endpoint. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on both devices so they can negotiate a peer connection. You should unlock both screens and set visibility to nearby or everyone to avoid discovery issues. Now open the Oppo Gallery or File Manager and select the items you want to share. This initiates the pairing step with the Samsung device. With files selected on the Oppo, tap Share and pick Quick Share. That sends an invitation to nearby devices. On the Samsung, you'll see a prompt showing the Oppo device name and a thumbnail preview. Accept it to begin. If both phones offer Wi-Fi Direct as the transport, choose it for faster throughput. Otherwise, Quick Share falls back to Bluetooth for negotiation and local Wi-Fi for transfer. Monitor the progress indicator and avoid exiting the apps until the transfer completes. After the progress reaches 100%, confirm the files are saved on the Samsung, typically in Downloads or a Quick Share folder, and open one to verify integrity. If the transfer stalls or fails, first toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both phones and restart Quick Share. This often clears handshake errors. If problems persist, reboot both devices and retry with them within 1 to 2 meters to ensure stable signal. That single troubleshooting step resolves most connection and transfer failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.